Thunderstorm warning, Madison.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Silicon has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin until 6:15 p.m. At 5:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cottage Grove or near Sun Prairie, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include eastern Madison, Sun Prairie, Marshall, Cottage Grove, Deerfield, Deonsville, and Token Creek. People attending the Sun Prairie Pop-Up Beer Garden should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.